Got another little creation here. It's an oil tank that mounts on your front down tubes. As you can see here, it looks really nice. Made with exhaust pipes, so it's a little something different here. It has a nice staggered look, see it? This is your return. Right here is your return. Here's your oil cap, your filler cap. Now, down below, on the inside, there's the fill. Get a picture over here. See the fill. And that's what you got. Another badass oil tank, man. Something totally different. For anybody interested out there, this is the kind of stuff that I do. Now I'll give you another shot here. Let me give me a sec. Here's another shot. Both sides. And of course the top. This is your return. That's your fill, okay? And you've got two very sturdy 1/4-inch brackets for mounting on your down tube. Kind of mounts like that. .16-gauge tubing, so it's a sturdy oil tank. Nice stuff, really nice stuff. Keep good. Something totally unique in the chopper world.